Hi, I will say the XLOOKUP function will be one of the most important function we need to apply when we look up things in a table. So let's begin by looking at the first example. So let's understand the formulation first under cell F2. So what this is saying is I'm looking for Penny Walker under column C, and I want to find the register code. So if you look at the position, the name is here, the register code is on the right hand side. Okay, so we're searching for information on the right hand side. And then the type, so let's look at the formula again. I'm looking for Penny Walker under column C, but this time I look for the information on the left hand side, which is column A, the type. Okay, so let's practice writing the formulation. So let's put in equal XLOOKUP, and then the lookup value. Let's say I want Rachel. Taylor. Always have the quotation mark when you put down text. The lookup value, we know the name is under C, column C, so just highlight whole of the column, and then comma to go to the next command. So the return array here is the register code, which is under D, so highlight all of column D and then close bracket to close the formula, then enter. And of course you can do the same for the type. Okay, with this example here, if we look at the formulation, this one is to get multiple pieces of information. Now, as you can see, instead of the name, I have the student ID. So let's demonstrate. So E equals to XLOOKUP. So instead, let me put in the ID for Keith Wood, so 573483, and then comma. Now again, the student ID is under column B, so just highlight all of this because I want to get multiple pieces of information. So because I want the student name and the register code, so now I'm going to highlight C and D together, then close bracket, enter. Can you see I have the name as well as the register code all at the same time? Now if you look at the font, if I want the same font as Rachel and Taylor, what I can do is I can highlight the font from Rachel and then go up to ribbon. You see here, format painter, just click on that and then paste that on Keith. Okay, and with this example here is one where I need to look up the table. So let me demonstrate. So I have the student reference, and again I'm going to use the XLOOKUP function. So here equal XLOOKUP and put in the student name, which is in cell A2, and then comma. Now lookup value is going to be on the next sheet, example 3 lookup table. So go to that sheet and then highlight the column where they keep all the student reference, and then comma, and what I want is the register code, so D from the lookup table, and then close bracket and then enter. Okay, with this example here, as you can see, this table is it has exactly the same information as the one underneath, but the first one here is presented in a vertical way, and this one here is in a horizontal way. And I want to use the second table to find register code. So how do I do that? Okay, so equal XLOOKUP, and let's say I want to look the register code for Kathy. So I just go to Kathy, which is in position C10, and then comma. Now highlight the row where Kathy is located, the student name, comma. Now the return array will be the register code, which is the next row. Highlight the next row and then close bracket.